Hello there, future tweeter. Welcome to the vibrant and ever-evolving world of Twitter, where every tweet counts and every voice matters. Are you ready to unlock a world of information, humor, and connection? Twitter is your gateway to real-time updates, breaking news, and endless entertainment. Twitter might seem like a whirlwind of hashtags and trending topics, but fear not. It can be overwhelming at first, but with a little guidance, you'll soon be navigating it like a pro. This guide will equip you with the tools to navigate this exciting social media platform. From understanding the basics to mastering advanced features, we've got you covered. Think of Twitter as a giant, bustling marketplace of ideas. It's a place where diverse voices come together to share their thoughts, opinions, and experiences. People from all walks of life gather here to share their thoughts, news, and quirky cat videos. Whether it's a serious discussion or a lighthearted meme, there's something for everyone. It's a place to connect with friends, family, and even your favorite celebrities. You can follow their updates, interact with them, and be a part of their digital world. Whether you're a social media newbie or just dipping your toes into the Twitterverse, we're here to help you find your voice and soar through the digital skies. With our tips and tricks, you'll be tweeting confidently in no time. So, grab your phone, buckle up, and let's embark on this exciting Twitter journey together. Get ready to explore, engage, and enjoy the endless possibilities that the Twitterverse has to offer. Happy tweeting. Now, you might be wondering, what makes Twitter so special? Good question. Unlike other social media platforms, Twitter thrives on brevity and real-time updates. It's like sending a short message to the whole world all at once. Twitter is all about short bursts of information called tweets. These are like little text messages limited to 280 characters. Short, sweet, and to the point. You can share your thoughts, links to interesting articles, photos, and even videos. What truly sets Twitter apart is its immediacy. News breaks on Twitter. Conversations spark in an instant, and you can connect with people from across the globe in real time. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving platform that keeps you in the loop. But there's more to it than just tweets. Twitter is a place where trends are born and movements gain momentum. From social justice campaigns to viral challenges, Twitter has the power to amplify voices and bring about change. It's also a platform where you can interact with celebrities, influencers, and even politicians. The ability to engage directly with public figures makes Twitter a unique space for dialogue and connection. And let's not forget about the analytics. Twitter provides tools to track engagement, see what's trending, and understand your audience better. Whether you're a brand looking to go viral or an individual wanting to share your thoughts, Twitter offers a platform for everyone. Its accessibility and ease of use make it a go-to for millions of users worldwide. So the next time you send out a tweet, remember you're part of a global conversation that's constantly evolving. And that's what makes Twitter so tweet. Ready to join the Twitterverse? Fantastic. Setting up your account is as easy as pie. First, download the Twitter app or visit twitter.com. Then click on sign up and follow the simple instructions. You'll be asked to choose a username. This is how other users will find and identify you. Pick something memorable and reflective of your personality. Next, upload a profile picture and write a short bio to tell the world a little about yourself. Don't worry, you can always tweak your profile later. The important thing is to get started and personalize your space. Think of it as decorating your virtual birdhouse. All right, let's break down some essential Twitter lingo. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, Understanding these terms will help you navigate Twitter like a pro. Tweets are those short 280 character messages we talked about. They're the core of Twitter, allowing you to share your thoughts, updates, and ideas with the world in a concise format. Think of them as your digital chirps to the world. Just like birds communicate with their chirps, tweets are your way of sending out messages to your followers and beyond. You can tweet about anything within Twitter's rules, of course. Whether it's your morning coffee, a breaking news story, or a random thought that pops into your head, Twitter is your platform to share it. See a tweet you like and want to share it with your followers? That's called a retweet. Retweeting allows you to amplify someone else's message, spreading it to your own network. It's like giving a virtual high five to a tweet you find interesting or funny. Retweets can help good content go viral, reaching a much larger audience than the original tweet might have on its own. If you simply want to show your appreciation for a tweet without sharing it, you can like it by tapping the heart icon. Liking a tweet is a quick and easy way to acknowledge that you enjoyed or agreed with the content. Think of it as a virtual nod of approval. It's a small gesture, but it can mean a lot to the person who posted the tweet, showing them that their message resonated with you. Finally, we have hashtags, those mysterious words or phrases with the knock symbol in front of them. Hashtags are a powerful tool on Twitter, helping to organize and categorize content. Hashtags help categorize your tweets and make them easier for others to find. By using relevant hashtags, you can join larger conversations and connect with people who share your interests. For example, if you're tweeting about your love for pizza, you might use the hashtag #PizzaLover. This way, other pizza enthusiasts can find your tweet and join in on the conversation. Hashtags can be fun, informative, and a great way to increase the visibility of your tweets. So whether you're tweeting, retweeting, liking, or hashtagging, these tools help you engage with the Twitter community. They make it easier to share your voice, connect with others, and discover new content. Happy tweeting. Twitter is all about connecting with others, so start by finding accounts that interest you. Use the search bar to look for your favorite celebrities, news outlets, authors, or even accounts dedicated to your hobbies. Once you find an account you like, click the follow button. Their tweets will then show up in your main feed, keeping you updated on what they're sharing. Don't be afraid to follow a diverse range of accounts to keep your feed interesting and informative. You can always unfollow accounts later if you change your mind. You've set up your account, followed some interesting people, and now it's time for the big moment, composing your first tweet. It might seem daunting, but remember, everyone was new to Twitter once. Keep your first tweet simple and genuine. You can introduce yourself, share a funny observation, or link to an article you enjoyed. Don't overthink it. To make your tweet more engaging, try adding a relevant hashtag or even tagging a friend using the owl symbol followed by their username. This will notify them and invite them to join the conversation. Let's embark on this exciting Twitter journey together.